Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hi everyone, I Deepani Bhardwaj welcomes you all again, and today we are going to discuss RBI assistant's salary. That is, we'll be discussing the pay scale of RBI assistant. Fine. So let's start with our topic. RBI assistant. See, RBI assistants recruitment 2020 is conducted by the Reserve Bank of India, that is RBI, to recruit the candidates for assistant posts in various offices of the bank. The recruitment process will consist of the prelims examination, which will be followed by the mains, and then it will be followed by the language proficiency test. This RBI assistant examination pattern is different for both prelims and mains. So there is some sort of difference in both the examination patterns. So what is this RBI assistant job? See, RBI assistant job profile includes the data entry part. Fine. Apart from that, filing of the documents. Fine. And inward and outward mail entry and replying to the mails. Fine. So apart from that, if I'll talk about the pay scale part, see, many of the websites or many of the people will say that its basic salary is 14,465 or something like that. But no, after the 7th pay commission, its basic salary has increased. Fine. So its basic salary is 15,060 rupees. And talking about its quality of the job, so this job has a very good status, designation and job security. And many of the candidates apply for it every year. For example, if I take on an average, so on an average it's about 5.5 lakh candidates who apply for this job. And it's not very difficult to understand why this much quantity is there for this job. You can just look at its status when RBI is attached with your name. Fine. So it has a good status, it has a good designation and job security also. Fine. Now, so talking about the gross salary, so gross salary goes around 36,091. Now, this was the salary part. If I talk about the perks, there are many benefits from this part. Fine. So if I talk about the perks, see, apart from the monthly salary, candidates are going to be entitled for DNS allowance, that is DA. Then comes the house rent allowance. Then comes compensatory allowance, and then there is a transport allowance. So talking about the allowances part, see, apart from the basic salary, candidates are entitled to get different allowances such as the DA, fine, HRA, CCA. What is CCA? CCA is City Compensatory Allowance. Then there is transport allowance, that as I told you. But talking about the accommodation part, see, if they are giving the accommodation, HRA will not be given separately. If they are not giving the accommodation, then HRA will be given. Fine. The other benefits are also there. What are those benefits? See, for the RBI assistants, let us talk about the loans part. See, an RBI assistant will be granted loans at very concessional rates of interest for their housing, car, education, consumer articles and other equipments. For example, let it be a personal computer. Fine. Even medical expenses are being taken care of. So for the medical expenses, reimbursement is done. Reimbursement of the medical expenses for hospitalization or OPD treatment is done. Fine. Apart from that, interest-free festival advance will also be provided. So if you want, this is the best thing that I am telling you. You will be given interest-free festival advance announcement. Fine. So there are many benefits. Talking about the working days, see, everyone wants that there should be a 5-day working job, isn't it? And this is what this particular job is giving. So there is a 5-day working job. Fine. And talking about the public dealing, there is no public dealing. So you are not going to deal any of the public. So there is no public dealing. But yeah, in case there are any any mails or data related to the grievance cell, that you will be responding. But yeah, normally there is no public dealing that is involved, but you need to address the information providing the campaigns. Fine. So I have already discussed about the perks also. Fine. So these are all the benefits that are given from the RBI's end. And if we talk about the promotion part, so you have to wait just for 2 years. In 2 years, you would have to understand what kind of working is there, and after that you can take a promotion. So if I talk about its career growth, so see, if you have worked here for 2 years, the promotion test will be conducted. Fine, which is conducted after every 2 years. So there are two different processes for the promotion for the grade A officer level. The first one is the normal process. If I talk about the normal process, here the normal process of promotion includes qualifying the written examination, and based on the seniority and experience in the service, the assistant will be promoted. So this is the first condition where promotion will be given. The second condition is on the merit basis. So what is merit basis process? For the merit based process, the candidate should have a graduate or postgraduate degree and should have served at least for a period of 2 years as a clerk. Fine. With a JAIIB and CAIIB diploma, which is conducted by Indian Institute of Banking and Finance. Fine. So these are two different methods by which you can take the promotion. And if I talk about the four scales of officer cadre, then it would be grade A, that is officer scale 1 manager, then grade B scale 2, grade C scale 3, and grade 4, that is grade D. Fine. So candidate should have an experience of at least 2 years to be eligible for the promotion. The main thing is that. So no doubt everyone wants promotion, isn't it? So just after 2 years you can start applying so that you can be promoted to the very good post also. No doubt it is also very good post, but everyone wants promotion in their life, isn't it? So it's the best place to work with. Fine. Now if I talk about each and everything that is about its pay scale, it's best. Talking about its perks, they are also best. And one more thing that I want to tell you, you are even given expenses like your newspaper expenses. Fine, I have already told you about the medical expenses. So there are many benefits that are given to this particular job. So I have already told you about the revised salary part. Now let's talk about the last important thing, that is about the transfers. So you will be transferred after every five years in RBI, whereas it is 3 years for other banks PO post. Fine. So these are all the things that are related to RBI assistants, and the main thing is that it is having a very good job profile and with a very good reputation along with the wonderful handsome amount. So all the very best for your examination. In case you have any doubt, comment section is available for you. So please do comment on the video, like on it, and share as much as possible. So thanking you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.